Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kati Nyomnat. Today, I would like to present about the effect of glutamate extract on Parkinson mouse model. What is Parkinson's disease? Parkinson's disease is the second most common neurodegenerative disorder after Alzheimer's disease. Recent study in Thailand report that the number of Parkinson's disease patients in Thailand was approximately 700,000 cases. Symptoms of Parkinson's disease were divided into two symptoms, motor symptoms and non-motor symptoms. In this study, focus on motor symptoms. Parkinson's disease resulting from several factors such as aging, bacteria and viral infection, retinol exposure, paraquat exposure, MPTP injection, and 6-hydroxydopamine injection. In this study, focus on 6-hydroxydopamine. What is 6-hydroxydopamine? 6-hydroxydopamine is a neurotoxin commonly used to lesion dopaminergic pathway and generate experimental model for Parkinson's disease. Therapeutic drug for Parkinson's disease. Drug for treatment Parkinson's disease such as levodopa, bromocriptine, salicylic, entacaprone, and benztropine. What is levodopa or L-dopa? L-dopa is dopamine precursor drug. L-dopa is the most effective drug for Parkinson's disease. However, L-dopa have side effect is dyskinesia, so the development of drug for treatment Parkinson's disease remain a major challenge. In this study, iterated the effect of Mitragyna speciosa extract on Parkinson's disease. What is Mitragyna speciosa or glutamate? Glutamate is a tropical plant indigenous to Southeast Asia, particularly in Thailand, Peninsula of Malaysia, and Indonesia. Research of Mossadegh and co-workers show that crude extract of Mitragyna speciosa have anti-inflammation effect. In Thailand, Mitragyna speciosa have been claimed to be effective in treatment of the Parkinson's disease. However, no report about the effect of Mitragyna speciosa extract on leukophil volunteer pattern in Parkinson's disease mouse model induced by 6-hydroxydopamine. So, objective of this study is to investigate the effect of Mitragyna speciosa on motor behavior in Parkinson's disease mouse model induced by 6-hydroxydopamine and investigate the effect of Mitragyna speciosa on local volunteer pattern in Parkinson's mouse model induced by 6-hydroxydopamine during working period. In this study, electrodes were implanted into the left side thumb. Experiment 1 development Parkinson mouse model by 6-hydroxydopamine. Before the surgery, animals were trained with motor behavior test instrument and habituated with the recording condition in a chamber for 20 minutes per day for 6 consecutive days. After that, electrodes were implanted into the side thumb. Ascorbic acid were injected into left side thumb of mice in control group, and 6-hydroxydopamine were injected into left side thumb of mice in 6-hydroxydopamine group. 14 days after 6-hydroxy injection, motor behavior and local frequency signal of 6-hydroxydopamine group were recorded and analyzed compared with control group. After that, Parkinson animals were taken for studying the effect of Mitragyna speciosa extract on Parkinson symptoms. Experiment 2 study the effect of Mitragyna speciosa on Parkinson animals. After Parkinsonism development, Parkinsonism mouse were divided into 3 groups, including 6-hydroxydopamine vehicle group. In this group, mice were treated with vehicle. Next group is 6-hydroxydopamine Mitragynase special group. This group mice were treated with mitragynase special dose 14 mg per kilogram and 6-hydroxydopamine L-DOPA group. This group mice were treated with L-DOPA 10 mg per kilogram and control group mice were treated with vehicle. All groups mice were treated for 5 consecutive days. Motor behavior and local field potential signal of animal on day 15 and day 19. After 6-hydroxy injection were measured and analyzed. Behavior test. In this test, rotarod were evaluated. In this test, rotarod tests were evaluated to measure motor coordination of rodent. In this test, latency to fall were measured. Decreasing of latency to fall, indicating that Parkinson-like behavior increased. Analysis of local field potential. In this study, theta gamma phase amplitude coupling of local field potential pattern of animal during walking period were selectively. Thank you for your attention.